You in charge here?
Yeah?
Name's Gunnarsson, private eye.
Yeah, what do you want?
I'm looking for a brown Chevy four-door that has a broken headlight.
Cop's already asking about that.
But I'm not a cop. Have you seen it?
Nope, sorry.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. If you do see it, I'd like you to give me a call at this number.
Yeah.
Okay?
Right.
Oh, and also, there's a reward in it.
Reward?
$200 if there's any information regarding it. Okay? Thanks.
Yep. Yeah, Mr. Gunnarsson? Mickey here from Minute Fix. You're in here looking for a smashed up brown Chevy four-door?
What about it?
Yeah, the guy came in here. We fixed it and sent him on his way. Yeah, his name's William Potts. He's a loan consultant downtown at the bank. Mr. Gunnarsson, you mentioned something about a $200 reward?
Yep, your check's in the mail. Okay.